Did you know that there are now over 46 million millionaires in the world? What is their secret? Stay tuned to discover the mindset hack that set them apart. Hi everyone, again, this is Irene back, and today we are diving deep into the mindset hack that can catapult you to millionaire status. These are not just tips, they are game changer for your financial success. Many of us dream of wealth, but psychological barrier like fear of failure and a fixed mindset often hold us back. Let us break down this word together. Visionary goal setting. Millionaire starts with clear ambitions goal. Persistence. They persevere through up and down. Continue learning. Always expanding their knowledge and skills. Leverage network. Building powerful connection. Risk management. Not shying away from calculate risk. Optimism. Maintaining a positive outlook despite challenges. Self-discipline. Staying focused on their long-term vision. Consider continual learning the cornerstone of millionaire success. Just listen to how lifelong learning transforms this entrepreneur journey from average to extraordinary. These seven mindset hacks are more than just strategy. They are the foundation for transforming your life. Embrace them and you will unlock a world of potential. Want to delve deeper into each of these hacks and start changing your life today? Subscribe for more insightful content and share which mindset hack you are committed to adopting in the comments below. Please give us a call if you are looking up of our services, bookkeeping, payroll, financial analysis, and data visualization. And for now, thanks so much for watching and be blessed. Bye for now.